What am I going to do today? Well, it should be studied by the ability to explain. For example, if you want to build a house, then you should have an ability to explain how to build a house. It is the same. It is the same when you want to build a smart port. You should understand first what is port, and when you want the management of the port become smart, then you should know or you should have an ability to explain about what smart port management is. The port may not be active having volume and loading and discharge with no economy activities around the port. And economy activities will not exist if there are no economy resources to build. So there are many mistakes here when you think that only by inviting shipping lines company there will be economic activities, loading and unloading activities in the port. How come like that? I spent over 20 years in the port. I have never seen a port suddenly have a volume of loading and discharge that just by inviting the big shipping lines companies. They will challenge you. They will ask you where are the commodities that need to be loaded onto the vessel. So the first conclusion to enabling the traffic of the port is we have to understand the logistic map around the new port. We have to calculate it if the vessel arrives and do the loading and discharge. How much is the total cost of logistic from end to end when the goods are discharged from the vessels and the goods are received by the consignee to pay the cost of the logistic. We need to attract them by describing that the new port is efficient and smart compared to other ports. Thank you and enjoy your day.